Hello everyone, this is Akshita Kukreja. So we are going to discuss a grammar chapter. So the name of the chapter would be the sentence. So what do you mean by a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense. So any group of words जो पूरा कोई मतलब बनाते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sentence. So it could be some different group of words, but if they're not making a sense, we are not going to call it a sentence. For example, if I say my name is Akshita. Now this is a group of words and it is making some sense, so we are going to call it a sentence. But if I use the same group of words, for example, is Akshita name my? Though I use the same group of words, but it is not making any sense, so we are not going to refer it as a sentence. So it's mandatory that it should make some sense or a complete sense. Now coming to the type of sentences. So now there are 5 type of sentences which are assertive sentences. The second one would be interrogative. The third one would be imperative. The fourth one would be optative. And the last one would be exclamatory. So these are the type of sentences which we are going to discuss in detail in the next coming video. Thank you.